Marketing in post COVID-19 scenario. Nobody has imagined 2020 will be such a difficult and disastrous note. The global pandemic situation due to COVID-19 has compelled us to think something different. Business all over the world is worse affected, and there is a slim chance of immediate recovery. There will be a new world order. Technology will be ruling. In this situation, society will crave for some kind of technological innovation. And in this phase, a marketer should always try to find new opportunity to move forward. So, what are the challenges marketers are going to face, and whether they are really ready for these challenges or not, we'll be discussing in this video. The first challenge for any marketer would be the digital marketing or technological enabled marketing to solve all the problems the organization is facing. Do you think that technology enabled marketing will be able to solve all the problems, and organizations are really ready to accept it or not? Second point, can the marketing discipline catch the pace of technological advancements all over the world, and can the technology really accept marketing? Very interesting. Third point, we would like to understand that the future of marketing is very much in digital form. So technological robustness or technological acceptance for the humanitarian perspective is a bigger challenge. How human beings and technology are going to correlate, coexist, and help each other is definitely going to be a new frame in this COVID-19, post-COVID-19 phase. Fourth point, how can industry prepare marketing departments in this technological enabled marketing? Do industry train marketing people accordingly? Do the marketing people has enough competence to go and start working with technology enabled world? This is a bigger problem. Next point is, what are the adjustments industries and academia need to do so that continuously we can prepare people to go and work for industry? This is very interesting because being in academics, many people never understand that what industry is really requiring. And now time has come when industry itself is not very much confident what to do. Next important point is that industry and academia, they should collaborate. But the research what was happening maybe 2 to 3 decades back is going to change. Industry and academia must collaborate, and this is the time where industry and academia should find some kind of synergy. So the last point I can tell that marketing department has to ponder whether they understand the consumers better or not. Post COVID-19 will define those organizations fit who will be investing substantially in understanding their consumer behavior. What is consumer is today? Consumer is in home, he is having a lot of time, he has set his priorities, he is going to accept what is important for him. So now time has come for every marketer to come and discuss, communicate, really maintain the relationship with the customer. Consumer research is going to define the next phase of marketing management. So there are some interesting improvements or some interesting incidents are happening around the world. Let me bring you to those kind of incidents and try to give you some kind of up-to-date on this. See, I personally feel agriculture business or maybe agro marketing will define its own term today. Agriculture will definitely have a lot of investment, and there is a future for people, those who are going to work in agriculture marketing. Labor will be diverted to different fields, mostly in agriculture as well as in infra sector. Second, consumption will be affected. Luxury market will come down, is badly hit. So a new definition of luxury market will be there. Technology will be the deciding factor. So mostly touch screen technologies or maybe less human contact technology will come into picture. But most important thing is that how fast consumer is adopting these technologies. Healthcare technologies will be in rise, more investment will be in healthcare, so healthcare marketing will be a new height. Tertiary sector will be more affected, and India will definitely grow at a 0%. Many agencies, those who have predicted India's growth rate for the next 6 to 1 year is 0%. Probably we can say it is 1.4%, but considering the complication of post-COVID scenario, let's imagine that India is not going to grow anymore. So the consumption market will be definitely affected, and by December 2020 we can find some kind of a normalcy in consumption market. Or next is the corporate sector will require more government funding, and it may affect its marketing strategies. The important thing is that in this phase we have to understand that banks are going to decide the way the society is going to remain competitive. Industry, consumers, competitors, collaborators, stakeholders. Most important thing in this phase of post-COVID-19 would be recession, looming recession. So in this phase, we have to take decisions according to our interest. Everybody will face a difficult situation. So at the last, I can tell you that India in post-COVID-19 will badly require its intellectuals.